Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning, decluttering, and organizing this entire house. Before we get started, I want to give a huge thank you to LG for sponsoring today's video. So as you guys can see, this house is a complete disaster. My family and I spent the week up north at a cottage, and we kind of just left it like this, so we have a lot to put away, a lot to clean up. I can't wait to get this house feeling fresh and clean again, and just smelling a lot better. So we're going to be doing a deep clean of the floors, furniture, and all the surfaces. I am so excited to be partnering with LG to show you the new LG Cord Zero Stick Vacuum. This vacuum is seriously a work of art. It is so well designed and extremely powerful. One of my absolute favorite things about this vacuum is that all the different attachments can be stored within the charging stand. So the crevice tool and this 2-in-1 brush tool just slip right into their little slots. There's even a spot right at the bottom here for the power floor nozzle. It's just so well designed. All the different attachments have their own spot in the charging stand so that everything stays together. It just makes cleaning so much more convenient. It also comes with this really cool attachment called the power punch nozzle. This is to help remove and clean deep hidden dust. So I'm going to be using this on my bed sheets to give them a nice refresh, and my sofa and furniture. And the third nozzle I'm going to be using to get this house super clean is this power carpet nozzle. This one is one of my favorites. It has these really thick, coarse bristles that really get the dust and dirt out of all of my carpets, especially this really thick shag rug. It got so much dust out of this, it was unbelievable. This carpet nozzle just brought the carpets and rugs in my house back to life. They're standing taller now, they feel fresh and clean. I did this all the way up my stairs and on all the small rugs around the house. So just one touch of your thumb, you can turn this vacuum on and off. It makes it super easy to use and there's no complication. I think one of the best parts about this vacuum is that it has such a long battery life. That is my number one problem with vacuums, is that they just keep dying. This one is amazing. It comes with 2 giant batteries, one that sits in the stand while you're vacuuming and one that's used in the vacuum. It's a total of 80 minutes of vacuum time. The charging stand also offers 3 different ways to store it, which I think is so amazing, so helpful for everybody. You can either wall mount it and it comes with the anchors and the screws. You can double side tape it and it comes with that as well. Or you can store it how I'm storing it here by just using the stand that it comes with. It's super sturdy and really compact. You can also adjust the pole length really easily to accommodate for any height. I like to use this feature to reach all the low places without bending too far over and reaching all the high corners around the house. It also helps that the dustbin is a really good size and it makes the overall product really light, so you can just carry it above your head, hold it with one arm, and it's super light. This vacuum is also very easy to maintain because it has washable cyclones and filters, so you can just take these parts out and rinse them underwater and you're good to go. So after I was done vacuuming, I emptied so much dust and dirt. It was so disgusting, look at that. But I could just rinse it out and it's perfectly clean and ready to go for the next clean. This vacuum is so easy to use. I know all of you guys would love having this in your home, so I'm so excited to be partnering with LG to give away 20 vacuums. Just check out my description box down below to see how you guys can enter to win. Another exciting addition to my cleaning supplies is this brand new caddy that I finally picked up. I really needed one of these. This just makes it so much easier to carry all of my cleaning supplies around the house. So the first room of the house that I'm going to tackle today is the kitchen. I need to unload this dishwasher, put everything away that's on the counter. It's just a really big mess in here, so just gotta start somewhere, unloading the dishwasher and putting all the dirty dishes back in. A really easy thing to do to make your counters look clean is just put away little coffee pods or boxes that get left out. Packaging just tends to look really messy, so I like to put all these individual coffee pods in the carousel and it just makes it look so much more organized and clean. Putting things away in bins or clear containers like this keeps things really organized and neat looking, so I like putting all of our wine bottles, olive oil, or balsamic vinegar all together in this container. Now to wipe down all the surfaces, I'm going to be using my multi-surface cleaner. This is in the scent Lemon, and I just think it's such a traditional, clean, happy scent, and it just makes everything so fresh. So now that the counters are looking sparkly and clean, I like to work from top to bottom, so now I'm working on the floor. I pushed all of the crumbs and dirt onto the floor, just knowing that I'm going to vacuum it all up, and then just lightly mop the floors to make them shiny and streak-free. Super easy to maneuver around everything with this vacuum. It's really light. I love that I can take it from the floor to the furniture and just get all the crumbs around the entire house. And as a nice finishing touch, I'm going to be spraying down the room with this room and linen spray. It's in the scent Lemon Verbena, and it's kind of like an essential oil mixture, but I love spraying down a room after I'm finished cleaning it all, just to really hold that clean, fresh scent. I think it makes such an impact on the overall feeling of the space when you make your house smell really clean. It just feels really clean. And now moving on to the family room. This room is very just messy and cluttered. We have stuff laying everywhere. We have all these toys left out for my nieces and nephews to play with. So I'm just gonna be sorting through those. So now that all the surfaces are clean in here, I'm gonna move on to the floor. So I really have to vacuum this shag rug. As I said earlier, I'm using the LG Cord Zero Stick Vacuum, and it really brought this rug back to life. It was really flat, looking a little gray, and this rug had so much dust in it, I had no idea until I vacuumed it with this vacuum. I always knew shag rugs weren't the cleanest thing, but I was totally shocked when I saw how much dust and dirt was laying in this carpet. So I'm just so happy I can use this vacuum now to keep this carpet dust-free and clean. I also realized while I was cleaning that I haven't lifted up the couch cushions in so long, so I took these apart and saw how many crumbs and little snack pieces were laying in this couch. So I finally got it clean with the little power punch nozzle and the crevice tool and got this entire sofa looking brand new again. And now moving on to the dreaded toy corner. This chair used to be able to hide the toys behind there, but they're just overflowing. There are so many here. So I'm just gonna collect an entire bag of things that I think I can donate, things that I know the kids won't really be using anymore. So I'm just gonna go through it all. Hopefully I can come up with a better storage solution soon. I kind of want to do a whole video on kids' toys and how to hide them with the home decor, how to organize them. So if you guys are interested in that, please let me know down below and I will definitely get on that. And then again, just finishing this space off by using my room and linen spray, getting the rug, the carpet, and all the pillows. And now moving on to the main floor powder room. This room just needs a nice wipe down, clean up. So I'm just gonna use my multi-surface spray and my glass cleaner to make sure everything is sparkly and clean again. So time to clean up the hallway. There's not usually this much stuff laying here, but since we got back from the cottage, we have all these board games, extra bedding, just left out ready for the laundry. So I'm just tidying that all up, getting the floors all clean, and giving this hallway a nice refresh. Sometimes when I clean a space, I get so focused on the areas that you can see, and I forget about these top corners. So there's so many cobwebs and dust bunnies sitting on our nice crown molding. So I really want to give that a nice vacuum, getting into the top corners with my little crevice tool. It really makes this whole hallway feel extra clean. And of course, it wouldn't be a full day of cleaning without a huge load of laundry to do. Before I head upstairs, I'm going to freshen up the living room, just vacuuming the carpet, all of the furniture, the sofa, and these accent chairs, and then giving an extra special touch by vacuuming the blinds. Now it's time to move upstairs, so I'm going to vacuum my way up the stairs. I like turning my LG vacuum into a little handheld vacuum by just taking out the extension wand. Makes it so much easier for me to get each and every step. You guys know the struggle of vacuuming stairs. It's not always fun. This makes it so much more fun and quick and easy. So I kind of like to tidy as I go. I came upstairs and saw a bunch of laundry sitting there that needed to be folded and put away, so I just got that done, put it all in the bathroom and back where it's supposed to be. Now moving on to my bathroom. This place is always a mess. I just can't seem to keep my bathroom clean. The counter is always full of stuff, so first things first is just putting everything away before I give it a nice wipe down and get all the surfaces fresh and clean again. I have so much laundry to do. It's all laying in this hallway. I still have to unpack these bags that I took to the cottage, so I still got a lot to do in the clothes department, but I'm just gonna put everything in the hamper so I can take it downstairs to be washed and move on to my bedroom. It's crazy what packing and leaving for a week can do to your room. It just looks like a mess all over again. So I have a lot of clothes to put away, a lot of stuff on my dresser, and I'm just gonna freshen up my sheets. So as you guys saw, I have a lot of laundry to catch up on today, so I don't really have time to wash these sheets. I'm just gonna give them a nice little refresh by vacuuming them with the Power Punch nozzle. This is gonna get the deep dust out of the mattress and out of the sheet, so this is just gonna make them a lot fresher and clean temporarily. I'm also gonna spray it down with my linen spray just to give it a nice fresh scent, and yeah, we'll just wash those another day. Also, let me know down below if you guys also think vacuuming a carpet is super satisfying. Like, look at the imprints that it makes. It just automatically makes the room look clean when you see those vacuum prints. Oh, I just love it. So I finally finished cleaning all of the rooms of the house that were a complete disaster, and it's not even dark out, so that's a new record for me. I usually take forever to clean the whole house, and today I did it in record time. I really think that vacuum helped me. It really made such a big difference. If you guys see the barrel, it is like the dustiest thing I've ever seen. It's pretty disgusting knowing that we were living in that. All the carpets and flooring and even the furniture is just so much more fresh. There's no more crumbs, no more dust. Oh, it just looks so much better. The carpet's like finally standing up and not being weighed down by all that like gunk. It even smells so good because of that room spray I was using. I feel like that makes a really big difference. If you have a room spray or a linen spray and spray it around the finished clean room, it just really holds that clean, fresh smell. And yeah, I just feel like it makes such a big difference. Anyways, I hope this video inspired you guys to get up and clean your house and give you that little kick in the butt motivation to get you guys started. If you enjoyed watching today's video and want to see more clean with me videos, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss a video. I upload cleaning, organization, room makeovers, home decor videos, so if you guys are into that, make sure you guys are here for it. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!